Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to see the daily routine of an account receivable specialist. What are the duties he is performing while on the job in whole day? We will see each and every duty inshallah in detail and with the help of real life example. So first of all, the first duty which an account receivable professional is doing, he is checking his emails. He is checking his emails and he has to reply those emails which are urgent and the emails which need some time to reply. Like some customers are asking him in the email that what about the credit facility form? Are we gonna get the credit or not? So he has to reply this email after he is getting confirmation from his management that this company is asking for a credit. So if the management approves, then he will reply to that emails. So he will prioritize the emails. Urgent emails, immediately he will reply on the same time according to his information. And some emails which required some time to reply, he will reply them later. So the first thing, he has to check his emails. The second thing, he will be checking the pending invoices. The pending invoices which need to submit to our clients. Like some invoices are generated and on his table, and the guy who is going to the companies for submitting the hard copies, he has to collect from his table and he has to go for submission. So account receivable specialist making sure that all pending invoices are submitted to all the clients. So he will update the ledger account after getting the receipt from the client. Whenever the guy he will submit to the other company, they will sign the copy of the invoice and return back to the account receivable specialist. So he will take that invoice and he will update in the system that we have submitted this invoice to this client. After that, his duty will be to check the online deposits. How he will check the direct deposits? The direct payments will be checked by the account statement. He has to check the bank account statements, which company on which date he has deposited the funds to our bank. So these received money he will tally and he will confirm with the client if there is any ambiguity. So he will confirm the balance and he will add into his ledger account. So that this much money we have received, so we have to deduct from his ledger account, from that client ledger account. The next thing comes to the hard copies, like checks. How many checks he is going to receive in that day he received or he is going to receive. He will collect all the checks and he has to hand over to the guy who is visiting the bank for deposit. The next thing is the lunch time. Everybody is having lunch 1 hour in every company. The next thing is facilitating new credit customers. The customers who are asking credit from us, we need to check his details, the credit worthiness. We need to ask them to send us the legal documents and they have to submit us the financial statements. That we need to check their assets, their liabilities, their working capital, their credit worthiness. We need to see that if we need to issue them a credit. If their financial statements will be good and healthy, so there will be no issue to issue them a credit. So the next thing is due invoices or payments. He has to check how many invoices or the payments are due with the clients. How he can check? With the help of aging reports. He has to analyze the aging report. He has to print out this aging report and he has to check how many invoices are due with the following clients. So he will contact with them and follow up with those clients with the help of this aging analysis report. This report contains client name, invoice number, purchase order number, due date, amount, days outstanding, and the invoices which are not yet due, and the delayed period. So from this aging analysis report, an account receivable specialist will make another report to follow up with the client about the payment. So next, he will be follow up either by email, he will send them an email, he will call them, and he can send them instant messages also. The next is reconciliation. When an account receivable is asking money from any client, they are saying that please send us our account statement to us. So an account receivable professional, he will send them the account statement, like their ledger balance, that this much ledger balance is due with these invoices from this period to this period are delayed. So they will reconcile and they will immediately reply us or they will pay us. The next or the final thing is reporting to departmental head. At the end of the day, account receivable professional has to report to the departmental head that we have this much collection. These are the clients which are very bad. They are not going to reply us or they are not paying us. And these are the invoices we have submitted today. And this much our sales today. And these are the things which he has to update to his head of the department. So this is his whole day. These are the main duties which he is doing as per his work. So this is the main concept which I have shared with you guys. I hope you understand the duties of an account receivable professional. Please subscribe my channel so it keeps motivating me to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.